How to turn off messages requests on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we need to tap on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now we should click on 3 lines at the top right corner. Then we need to click on Settings at the top. Now we should find option Privacy and tap on it. Then we need to tap on Messages at the bottom of the screen. Now we can click on Others on Instagram and choose Don't Receive Requests. And the same we can do with your followers on Instagram if you wish. And that's all. It was how to turn off message requests on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.